Hi guys, if you just like me and got just enough of this virus and looking for escape, this video for you. I intend to show to you ways of styling your garments with patch. In most people's brain, patch is something from past, what you don't want to have on your clothes to look tacky. And I had tailor shop for almost 30 years, and I remember how many times clumsy guys who rip pockets on doorknobs, on disappointed mothers who just got those pants for kid, and he came next day from school with rip or a hole in it, and those people came to ask me to put some like invisible patch on it, like it's possible to keep look of new. Of course, I laugh on it. Hole is hole, rip is rip. It's totally understandable. And so many others wasting money to buy those glue-on patches. And those never stay more as like one or two washings and fall off, not mention how stiff and uncomfortable they are. And only very few people like me who has that spirit of designer inside. When we see hole, what we see? Opportunity. And I can make this, I tell to myself every time I see hole, oh, okay, I can make this garment much better now. And once you see how good it is, it can come up even your obsession. I had customer like that. I had a customer once, young man, who was wearing only one brand of jeans, which is True Religion. And for those who don't know, it's a brand which is every pair of jeans, it's like $200 minimum. And he was smart enough, did not care how my patch look. He just want to keep wearing his favorite brand. And once I suggest to him to put contrast color patch on it, and he liked it so much, what he kept bringing to me his jeans for repairing when it was not even much left of original cotton on it, and those pants become cost to him like $500-600 together with a labor of my cost. But he did not care. He just want to look different, and that's what he was after. And then he moved to Las Vegas from Southern California, where I am, and could not find any tailor to do the same crazy patch job what I did for him. So he will come to me twice a year when he come back in this area to visit his family and bring to me quite few ripped jeans to do my miracle on it. And well, I have to tell you, and young man, he told me what he loves to wear those patched over and over jeans with pure, well-pressed white shirt and black tie to go on his dates with in nightclubs or casinos. And it was a smasher, that's what he told me. And he was always in center of everyone's attention. And I did enjoy to do the designer job for him. No, well, we don't have to go to those kind of craziness, but I will show to you how to design with patches. And if you don't have a sewing machine or you don't know how to use it, I will show to you exactly how to do it by hands. Don't worry about it, it's very easy. And for example, you do go to you do got to patch denim, like this piece of denim what I have, and you have some denim which is ripped and you want to patch. And well, what you want to do, you probably will be not available to match exactly that color of denim with exact color. If you want to, yes, you can, but if you cannot, don't worry about it. Get some different color, but still denim. And clean your hole on the back there. Right here, you clean it up from all this trash, running threads. What your created hole in your garment is, and then cut that hole much bigger. As you can see, size of this patch. Much bigger size of hole. How much bigger? About 3/4 up to 1 inch bigger from end of comparing to size of hole. And if you don't have to be exactly rounded patch or square patch, you do realize that you can do butterfly patch. You can do anything you wish, any shape of that patch you wish. I kind of like this kind of not even patches, making more visible that patch stand out as even patches. And what you do next, you fold this end of this patch like about 1/4 inch in, and you start stitching. And let me show you how you get your embroidering needle. Why embroidery needle? Because embroidered needle, let me show to you close to you. See how big holes have embroidered needle. Regular needle don't have that big hole. And in this case, you can your regular thread, you can fold 2 times and then stick in this hole. By time what you get layered, it's already will be 4 layers of this thread. And that's gonna make nice stitch around. See how I stitched all around? I prefer the same color of blue thread as my polka dots on that patch, but for you, just for show to you, to make sure you understand how I'm doing it, I'm gonna do it exactly with red color. What you will see exactly how I'm doing it. And here you are, you fold it there. You can pin with straighty pin or safety pins to make sure it stays not moving anywhere. And you just tuck that needle there under. And that's what you do. You go, I will go to camera as close as I can. You catch a little bit part of that denim right here, which is you sewing through, and go under it. And this is a motion. Go over your needle and pull out. Again, catch a little part of that, just like I did right here, a little part of it. Go under your patch. And this going over needle, and you pull out. And that's what gives you the stitch. I don't want you to waste your time. That's what gives you the stitch, because you always can repeat video. That's what gives you that stitch. Yes, you can probably do exactly 1/4 inch distance and the same millimeters down. Don't have to be, because whole idea of patch, it's already something on which is a custom. Custom don't have to be perfect. That's the whole idea of it. And well, if you don't understand exactly how I did it, I will, in the end of this video, I will attach another video for you. You can click on, and it will show to you simple stitches, basic stitching, what I'm showing to you. And this is a stitch, will be one of those stitching, and I'm going for good 7 minutes in a slow motion to show to you how it's done, which is very, very close to camera, what you can understand better. And in this video, I want to show to you what you can do it for yourself, you can do it for your man, you can do it for your kids, and for kids you can choose any pattern fabric. You know, make it fun for kids. Choose any kind of pattern for them, and for patch. And but it's if it goes on a denim, your regular cotton fabric patch going on a denim, make sure it's layered. What your patch will not come undone right away, will be not ripped right away, and endless possibilities in it. Absolutely endless possibilities. It can be stars on that fabric, can be fabric with some phrases saying something, can be stripes, can be polka dots, combination of anything you want. And also be thrifty. Look for some nice patch patterns in secondary stores like Salvation Army, Goodwill, thrift stores, garage sales. Look what I got. Look how beautiful it is. It's embroidering on a denim, and it's perfect patch. Like on the one side of denim jacket to put it on, or on the bottom, just on the one side, and whenever you want to put, you want to cut and loosen your pants, or put just alongside on the pants, that's totally up to you. It's not a hand embroidering, it's a machine embroidering, but still it's a beautiful. I love that. I like always shade blue on the blue. And well, you can pick up colored denim. It's plenty of those patches what you can come up with on a color, just on a denim. And well, also, if you understand what I'm talking about, if you feel that what you can do about it, just imagine you have your trousers, because most of time it's jeans which ripped, or pants which ripped, and for example, you put one color of patch right here, because it was ripped. You put another one over it like that. You put whenever you want. You put this part of it, different colors. And that guy, it's exactly what he was asking me to do, this crazy kind of jeans. It's totally delicious look what you got in the end of it. And if you're working in the jeans, because it's a legs, it's a tube, and it's hard to make a tube flat, because you can't make tube flat. It's a tube. No, well, what you can do, you can rip your jeans or pants by outseam, whenever if it's double stitch on inseam. That's what outseam, usually double stitch on a man's pants. On a ladies it's inseam, it's double stitch. It's gonna be hard to open that. Rip the opposite side from double stitch if it's on the jeans. Make it flat, make it easy for you to sew, and then you can close it up with stitching, which is I will show to you in this video, which is I'm attaching to this video what you're watching right now. Right away I'm attaching this another video, show to you how to stitch straight, how to do that practically machine stitch, but by hands. It's in that video, will be for you available, and you can do it again without sewing machine, without even knowing how to run it. Just get needle. And by the way, if you buy needles, don't buy in cheap stores. Pay some money for it, because otherwise you will end up with not sharp needle, and it will be very hard for you to push through denim. Okay, guys, happy sewing, and much more videos already. It's almost 100. This is video number 97, I believe, on my channel. If you're up to sewing, just go to channel, check all of them, and I will guide you, because right now it's springtime and I'm tired of virus, and every time I'm tired of virus, I'm in styling. I'm tired. I want to make something new. No, well, probably some I will show to you how to measure yourself, how to make patterns, and how to make something funny, to have some fun in life besides dealing with this virus. Okay, guys, thank you for your time.